Selling fidget toys. I'm quite bored of playing with this now. I think I want to give this to someone, so I'm going to sell it. Selling fidget toys. Selling marble balloons. Selling once, selling twice. Oh, me, please, may I please offer for it? Of course you can, of course. Okay. I'll give you this unicorn slime. Oh wow, that's a pretty good deal. Maybe add one more thing. Hey, I'll give you this. Okay, that's a really good deal. Here. Yes, I'm so happy. Thank you so much. No problem. And thank you for such good fidgets. I'm gonna add these to my collection. Bye. Bye. I've played with this stress ball for like longer than I can remember, and it's so hard. So I'm gonna see if anyone wants to offer for this. Selling stress ball, selling once, selling twice, selling 3 times. Oh please, I love stress balls. My other one ripped, so please. Okay, offer something for it, please. Okay, I'll give you this green slime. Well, okay, pretty good. Add some more, please. Okay, how about this? Like beads on a pack cleaner. Pretty nice. And one more thing. I'll give you this. Oh wow. I think I'll only accept those 2. Oh, this was my favorite fidget toy, and I ripped. Well, here, you can have that. I'll take this. Thank you. Hey, this isn't even. This is so like. Oh, I'm so angry. I feel bad for that person. I think I'll go give him something back. Hey, I found him. I'm going to be selling these. It's basically the same thing, only better. Selling balloon fidget, selling once, selling twice. Oh me please, my balloon fidget broke. Okay, what do you want to offer for this? Whatever offer he gives, I'm going to accept because, I was the reason which it ripped. His other one ripped, so. My favorite fidget popped, so. Oh, someone scammed me with this, so you can have this if you want. And this blue slime. And don't add any more. Here, that's enough. Well, I only gave you 2 things, so this isn't even, stretchy. Don't worry, here. Oh my god, you're so sweet. Thank you so much. And it is just like my other one. Yay! Last fidget trading. I want to sell this, Squeeze-A-Mall. Selling Squeeze-A-Mall, selling once, selling twice, selling 3 times. Yeah, I want to offer so bad. It's so cute. I don't really want it. Please. First things first, stop touching it. Second thing second, offer. Fine, I'll offer. I'll offer this blue slime, this green slime, this pink slime. Sorry, put it there. Okay, I can't just play with slimes my whole life, so add. This and these. Those are literally all of my fidgets, so please accept, please. Let me think. He overpaid so much, but of course I'm gonna do it. Yep, you got yourself a good deal, sir. Here you are. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I'm so happy. Yay, so cute. I'm quite happy with my trade too. Especially these 2. These are so cool. Alright guys, if you enjoyed this video, please smash that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!